All right, abusia ye ma wa chema akwa ba de ba Okoman radio 97.1 so. Emraso say ye tena se na fe Okoman Global Sports no ye de be dan wo. Eviti se emre ma dukosi se from tobre beto. En sama huru ekoso e wa godie mu no e na ya gebra tena se a. Ye be papa mu ama won so we ho ye koso e wa boxing, table tennis, basketball ne football nyina no anope ya tena se ye de eba tim nyina akamontam ano abuani e na anope ye de esam no enso etumi e de ebrewo medina de Power Solo Paradise ni tenamo de ama AK the boss player AK nankasa etechire emlepe on betene nka crop ya sante de ebe kwa manone no de manone sam na enso etumi e de aba owi a ye be ba na ya bedi nkomo kakra wa manone na ya hwen sam ahoro a yekokoso a enu achi no me how enso ebeba o hawa edo bibia kuma ponso e wo Ghana football no eno so ye de beba ye wi a na local tidbit no enso abefam na fe ya tena se na nkomo ahoro nso ekokoso a e wo efie no yedi emu nkomo enso etumi edi ama wo asidani bi enko emfa emma DJ Zigibi ono edi enko Facebook entiko Facebook Okoman radio 97.1 nyina enso egu ho sanso na donzi enso egbo achire dom afi okore ajeman ono so eta achire ena executive producer Mr. KB on duty and adwa poku ezo na omunyina enso ete chire anopei ene atena se de agudie mu nsam enso etumi ede ebrewo Christian Achu ne won sam ne de adechi ade sen nyina ye beka se ye hu ni akwesi ni de ye nja kan ye enti ye bekoso aka ne aka latest ewo Christian Achu and some no and also ya the bebro na wan husania etie na fe yaba ne yaba bedi nkomo na Augustine Amanfo e dey futu akodi ama efe no Augustine Amanfo or a former player edema the Black Stars of Ghana and also Ghana Football Association enti na futu e Ose Ghana ha oye adwuma critics ne de ebeba enti say ya Amanfo criticize wo ma omunje ntum omu ne say adwuma na omoye ne de wenu mu nyina ka ho bi enti omunje ntum critics ahoro a ebeba nyina no omuntie no mumfenye adwuma omunjai say okan ye ho nsam a ye de obekọ court okan ye nsam a ye de obekọ court okan ye nsam a ye de obekọ court no omunjai ya ba jibre na ya disasem no so eho enkomo ede amawo obetumi de wadwe nkyere de afa 0551667755 eno SMS WhatsApp no so 0551667755 and afa 0270191971 0270191971 and also your WhatsApp line over to me at the wadwenture na fa ho e de aba emrepam ye bebu ahoma no atomo e de ama na also what the wadwenture e de aba kan ya ho na ye mra mbesomo pa if it is say ekopam mra from tobre enso e bebo ye kwana fe yakwa kofa ma no nsam enso to me e de aba twen ye ba enti ye be kona fe club ya sante atena se o de amane nsam no enso e de abana ya ba bedin komo enso ewo aha na fe ni aka nyina no enso wo de enso etumi e de abamo club ya good morning.
Yeah, so bibia kama.
Bibia boko pa.
Wadia tama bibia kama pa. Ya wa hodin kwa de na chese bibia ye. O se papa mo boni mo yemfasa da mo no yakoye. Ene de ankoye nyina no. Yete ase na moja edi efusa ne kwa de na chese wa ye bia ma ye ntino. Awode wo. Ensam no so aba. Oh. Okitachu latest. Actually latest ni de ye ni latest bia bio. Ye de ama na ye guso ade ama. Ye ni latest bia bio asa na besi ya na besi. Yes ya na esi o. Ye nyame penenim. Latest bia ni. Ya se nyame nenim ba bia o. Ono pe not even ono atwu na kasakra ye njendi. Yo. Asa. Nyame nenim ba bia twi se. Sa. Bia ni nyame pe nti meja etidi. Oye chidi. Oh, the waje chidi. Me nihwe. I won say your tiefo ntino ye be ko so asomo. Oh, tiefo no de. Say no na make kan tiefo no nye make sure say de nyame. Say na ye hu say aju aba wa aba. But see an de obi anti. Debi. We say Okoman be o ya. Ne masa. The pains and the feelings, hard feelings, and thing. So I think the masa. After all, like is he you lose life, that's I say. Nipa ye name we close to 5,000. Wamu dia wamu ye gone. Wamu ko. So I think that one hour hospital close to 3,000. Wamu ho enye easy. Easy. Obi wa ni busu eni kra wo but ono so be den kra hu. Yeah, American ni ono so no ho akire. We UK ni an ho akire. Ono no ho akire. All the countries around. Obi a ho aka wi ase na obi a nipa wo. But the way our situation now no is not easy to even determine say na ti ana say what this wa how very way. Yes, unless say you find yourself in that particular town and I say baby and your man cost no anyhow very difficult. Very difficult. Very difficult. And one more access to the scene, our mobile to me and that accuracy of information. They are rather also contradicting themselves, giving out false information, giving today this, tomorrow that, tomorrow that. Yes, because look, very serious. Nipa no wonu you're very serious. So, no, the thing is, one thing that everybody must be clear of. The thing is, he's not being found. That is the truth. He's not being found. That is the truth. He is still under the rubble. Simple. Yes, simple. And he is not the only one. Bebre, he's not the only one. So yes, so a player, yes, wa clubs ahoro, and I was also a former Black Star player. I mean, can say even team no bona woman sports director only nyina na woman. So he's not the only one, and they are not the only ones, and so there are many. So let's leave it to them. As and when one will to me as research in the research team no one will be to me to be channel. I think say you and I we are not there. You need that access and the information one kasa even the rescue team na kasa no one ehwehwe nipa ne ba yen hu asimesi bi nukra are rather contradicting themselves, giving out informations and yet that's accurate to the public, because today they will come out with this, tomorrow they will come out with that, and I don't think something good for the public say. Okay. Yes, so let's leave it as that. Okay. Yes, or yen is dan nebu gu so yen fan is simple in our way say as and when Charlie Bano, we will keep on be worrying about the situation. That one day it is a fact. We will keep on be worrying. Now you can imagine. You see, BBC say how do you nipa ni shoes man? Now watch. Imagine say your brother be no take your bobo. Or no na edu baby or no sort out. Imagine that you forget about even the other one thing, but your senior brother, junior brother, and all apply the traits or other country, and as I do you won't find it easy. You won't find it easy. So, and you want to mean so share about it. That is the thing. You saw what I say to me share about the thing.
And I'm not a nature no.
Oh yes. No. It is natural. We know we cry and you'll be there about born nature. So yes. Easy. Breadwinners in the Lucy breadwinners in the or you Lucy woman to know. Ama brabono ne ade no enhye danko but obe ne den enya wo pe enya wo pe so what you see we enye nipa da se ni na de aba akwohwehwe dan ni ma na o eye natural phenomenon inti no eye ye nyame no no an obetumi ansa yes it's not us or all that power to at least block that situation ya na eba no nyame betuma ebribia. That is why we believe in him. Obi bia nyame osumuni bia no believe say in difficult situation like this, sa God of worship or no ejini din ebetumi ayeden eyine film. So as it has happened, it has happened. So
mami fan tumu na fe yanko fated better mera.
No, those words poured out of my Kante, Bakayoko, Alonso, Batshuayi, still, wonderful steal for Chelsea and Conte.
Right, yababo bibiache eri aba Okoman 97 do wa yasanso atena sibio se ene amana ne nsem a yabobu no enso edeba no jede aba betu yetiefo nso ene ahwefo nso enim na Akuffo okore agman together with Eke ene paradise wo musu ekurunche nsem no de gukrata so se menko no kwanten kro na menjiremu enso enfam betu yetiefo ene ahwefo enim te ohwemu enso en social media platforms no so a jumedie nso no etwegu se de ada no ye kanu se radio no aba beye audio visual ente ne wutie no na asanso hwe na onya de clear vivid description of the stories are yet no pictorial presentation or other footage in no and so in social media handles and so especially on Facebook and so any YouTube in our Okoman Radio 97.1 or Facebook udwa na ne way to me like you share ama address and so no it to me get in touch so on YouTube no Okoman Radio 971 na no man so no to me a konkan el horma yet ya hunsem ni nyina and so at DJ Ziggy and so any John McFadden wo mu nyina no and so boa echinchim dwumedi no ene machine nso efuru mama nyoma nso no konkan ewe social media handles no so nyoma nso no etwegum kama yede ensem dodo na enso ede ebe fully packed stories ana ne yede ni nyina enso ede eba me amagin kwanten kro na me de ne stories no eba no me din crop ya asante yebetiatum ne ahwe dwumedi awodo a eno nso cause yebehwem ewo Morocco, the northern part of Africa ne aka akohwe dwumedi a ene no koso ye FIFA club inter competition na and also koso we know the various clubs are womo champions womo various confederations and womo baby PM Morocco together womo ball as FIFA club cup trophy no so no ye hwe de obetumi wini na say no ya boy ama ne no yenya the grand finale teams are womo so akobɔ the finals no ama ne oman so etumi akonkan na ndrata and the second semi final game no and so etumi eba so and so was start Mole Abdallah Rabat Kromo referee ye friend of Mantonte Cabrera ana no etumi ejinemu atuayerem ama ne oman so no etumi ekoso ma perpere yo and so etumi ekoso at the end of the 90 minutes soccer fiesta as FIFA rules no and so eye ejuma no Real Madrid womo free Europe na womo represent UEFA no and so etumi ehye kan porpore and 9 ama ene no Al Alia womo and so every confederation of Africa womo so no Africa no aso ye womo so no etumi atimu baako Mrantia wo muje penie etoto ntena no edebo Real Madrid ma wo munya da emphatic victory no and so any Vinicius Junior etumi ebo first goal na Federico Valverde ono so etumi ebo goal and so edebo Real Madrid Mrantia friend Luka Modric ese penalty later ono so etumi ebo amanyome konkan Rodrigo Goes and so etumi ebo third goal no ana Mrantia friend Sergio Arribas the young sensation the fourth goal no so no etumi pin so na hu behia say Africans no ebenya one goal consolation near the apepa ye ni ase ni suo abra Al Ahly so no kicked out of any competition no ama nioma enso etumi konkan do womo ewo mu ara na so finals no an ye hwe ni mu no womo etumi amboenwure mu enso ho ma nioma etumi akonkan brantia ene oye Tunisian born international osi akadema Al Ahly enti ono so no ye frɛ no Ali Malu a osi akadema Ali na je se Ali esi akadema Ali na nioma so no etumi akonkan no nya constellation enso edema Alia ene nioma so no etumi konkan kama enso edema Remade da womo ekomanim se no stage no so no set grand finale no say na before 10 na yebebo 3rd and 4th place na no so etumi akoso Saturday ana game no eba so 3rd and 4th place no Al Ahly womo free Egypt womo enso ene Flamengo womo free Brazil ewo CONMEBOL ana de 3rd and 4th place no bronze medal no ebetumi ahihye so 3:30 p.m. sharp Saturday ana game no enso etumi eba so womo bobie ya na chese ndey no unum se closing ceremony womo be ye bibia ama nioma so no etumi akonkan womo wie ya ne ye boye ni so de achemu 7 p.m. no na eno so grand finale no ana ene no eba so Al Hilal womo every Saudi Arabia ana ebo Asian part no ana womo so ebo ana fi Real Madrid womo every Europe any Spain ana womo so de akesi no eba be hihye so we no na ne no womo ka pray for the first and second spot na ultimate trophy no so no ya hwe de ono so ebetumi age ama ne oma etumi akonkan 7 p.m. Saturday ana sa game no enso ebetumi abaso a yete ahosem ni nyina no enso ete panti we ne nioma eno so etumi akukọ so ewo FIFA club competition a eno so ekoso ewo Morocco Rabat no Africa to be precise ana ene no tournament no enso etumi ababe piemu enioma so no etumi ekonkan bebu evremu ni aka kohremu enso ewo the English Premiership ni mu a entrata game ba konso no etumi etodwa ewo the Theatre of Dreams Red Devils Old Trafford ehona game no enso etumi etodwa Manchester United ewo Camille Leeds United ama game no so no etumi so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta no Manchester United eshemienu Leeds United nso no etumi eshemienu abrantia ene ye friend Noto ono no Italian young sensational waba be piemu ewo Leeds United otumi ebogo enso etumi edeboa Leeds United a womo nso etumi eboa nenumu ana ekoye 2-0 in the first half ene uhrewrema Manchester United nso no ebemu strongly in the second half ne ade ebetete kanema nyoma nso no etumi ekonkan Marcus Rashford still goes and also near Branty anything goes in goes out every week now and then a Branty friend of Marcus Rashford and so she goes from helter skelter left right center a Branty ne bubatna home and away baby pia or chini pebia ne no team bia na the goals no etumi atu atinima Marcus Rashford so no etumi team back enumu ana Jadon Sancho a Branty ne ko a long term injury waba obaya endra so no etumi atu atena enya a point at Manchester United in a crucial moment ene no so etumi boy ama Manchester United etena fie ama Leeds United and so no etumi eba be pick a point and the point no wo mo share ba ko kai no wo mo de akwa to Premier League board efi ni so akachi eno so dawa ehome twetwe ama nyoma so no etumi akonkan no so ne kakra etumi etoso ewo the English Premiership ni mu a yete ehonsem ni nyina no enso ede eba yebaba room ewo the other stories eno so etodwa Endrata ana medebe tuga se uhremu ewo CONMEBOL wo mo ehwe nim se the first FIFA World Cup etumi etodwa enso ewo wiase no etumi eba so 1930 na team anasa oman otumi ehost ye no eye Uruguay na chese the continent CONMEBOL southern part of America ana wo mo so no etumi ehost ye na se wo mo hwe nim se 19 ara ye uremu ewo 2030 no na no so betumi amake 100th anniversary 1930 to 2030 na chese mark 100th anniversary na enumu na mpanifo ya atena sidin ana southern part no of America aman no etumi atena sisa yenkura na edwumedi no the medin edition yegisi yensere so na aten ana ne ye mark anniversary yensanso nko na yenso yenje fancy yensere so nti so far no the defending champions currently ayekoko remu ewo Qatar no team a otumi age ana so man oje no Argentina Football Federation no wo mo na ne wo mutumi bua ma Argentina national team no enso etumi age tournament no ma nneoma so no etumi ekonkan nti so far Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay ne Chile womo so etumi aka womo toma de aboa no as baakon one matter womo so ekọ akọboa hwe se enenu 2030 bidding no womo so etumi akọ bede officially no womo alanche womo hwenim se nneoma betumi akonkan na se no womo etumi aye t-shirt enso etumi ababontin t-shirt a eye 2030 na chese World Cup no was a stera America kroyi womo entumi enje enwini bid no na womo so hosti World Cup no nneoma nkonkan tin shirt no t-shirt no na momontin so a eno so ye papa 2030 ana ne CONMEBOL Federation no so womo ya nneoma so no konkan pa edema aman enan a womo hwenim so betumi hosti 2030 100th anniversary of the FIFA World Cup and also ba wiase na sa tournament no de 100th anniversary na chese ehu behia papa se no so betumi abayete sa tournament ni nyina ebedu so na makọ World Cup ba akodada na echiri no me the second one etumi ape so enso ehọ na nneoma so no etumi akonkan eno so ne kakra eno so efri ho eba Tottenham Hotspur wo manager Antonio Toto Conte hencheye ana yerebe tu gwa se be na wotwe ene na kakra ni opani na kwakopie mu ewo ne mamu Italy ana opani ni so eja yarehwe ne ho dodo no pa yi enti sese no so far mpanifo ahwe na ma doctor for declare ni say green light no wo metumi dia ma opani obetuma ba be pie mu enso ewo England London to be precise now no so aba beto na djuma so e dia ma Tottenham Hotspur no opani no ene no be London ewo London na nneoma so etumi akonkan na as to so opani ni betumi agine mu onim say weekend we no Tottenham Hotspur woman Leicester City ne betumi abo atu so openi no ano betumi gina dugout ni mu enso amane nnoma edi ama Tottenham no ebrene nkrabia ne betumi akire enso no entumi enye confirmed ochinata ana press conference no ebetumi akoso caretaker coach ojiremu Christian Stalini ono so betumi ama yen the update na yen ehu se de nnoma so no ebetumi akọ ochinata na emom no entia San Antonio Conte enso elante London ene ama nnoma etumi akonkan ma bibia so etumi aye kama Bayern Munich na ne wo mo dia ba betuga papa ye friend no Salihamidzic enso dia ba betuga sa branch ye friend no Joao Cancelo due to a time frame ani nyoma wo mo ye ya wo mo san branch ye friend no Joao Cancelo no enya dia penny kura one Ghana cedi kura wo mo etumi etuai edema Manchester City enso onti branch na ba kama ono so ba bebu ejuma ama nyoma nso etumi akonkan ntini sika bia nhyedan pie mu na emom womu gusu ehwe se abrante ne buy 2 games wama 2 assists enso e aboa ama ene team wa friend Bayern Munich so no konkan tini modern boni so ni dia 70 million osisika ne so na mmom no negotiation de ade a eboa ohia ni bia sebi obi a oni bi okoto ade a negotiation pa o te so mame yenye ne se any other series of terms a womu betumi akono womu be put on board enso de akakopie mo Manchester City so aso ye ma brante ni deal no etumi permanent and also ne kakra a free wire the epa at the eto yetie fonso no enim a free Manchester City and so any that of Bayern Munich for a branch your friend Joao Cancelo and so ne deal no e hon sem ne pa Manchester United and rather me be tuga say urema papa oney owo a mayor of Qatar e dey aba tuga so hwe nim so betu aba beto Manchester United because ono so no a fan of Manchester United already and ti say ho aba be dan pan ono so di sika e ba be hwemu ma no metumi akonkan British billionaire papa your friend say Jim Ratcliffe obekaya no nso dimiti no hwenim say Chelsea the Blues team no na nko betumi ato papa no entumi anko amfa ma no nei ono nso abo ewurem say hurudu say Manchester United say Jim Ratcliffe ono nso ka akoto efi Glazers nsem na ne o man so etumi akonkan ti sese no Sheikh Tamim Al-Thani bin womo ane apapa your friend say Jim Ratcliffe ana nei womo nso no Manchester United atwa ye hwese de nyoma so no ebetumi akọ onum say FIFA best player awards no ene yeguso a womo release e dey ba position by position so far yen remu uremu e won bema na femu a womo nso e dey FIFA best men's goalkeeper award no womo e dey the 3 shortlist nominees no etumi aba betuga Emiliano Martinez ono esi akan enso edema eni no Aston Villa sanso anane maya ye frɛ no Argentina oboaye ama Argentina gi FIFA World Cup no otem sanso ana urema Real Madrid wo mo first goalkeeper Thibaut Courtois ono so si akan edema ne man Belgium ono so etem ana Yasin Bono osi aka edema Sevilla ono so ne man eni Morocco wo mo so call there eni emphatic performance di ewo FIFA World Cup so ewo Qatar no ono so tem nti we any 3 best goalkeepers a yesanso ka koyi baako as the best among these 3 goalkeepers no na ne ometumi akonkan Emiliano Martinez, Thibaut Courtois, any abranteɛ friend of Yassine Bono ɛna ene wo metumi ameki ama ne ometumi ekonkan ye kono midfielders beba attackers nso ebetumi aba na yɛde ne nyina etumi atogwa na ne no ɛyɛ mienu ana ne FIFA etumi ewilizi uremo ɛwɔ Maya na femu a Maya na femu no goalkeepers a wo mo modern bɔ akonkan pa 3 shortlist no say netie and Kadrim Becker ono German sanso ana Christian Endler eno nso etim ewo mu Czech Republican sanso no ana nei abrante friend no Mary Epps ono nso no England ni anase English ni yes English eho ano no so pima ni o man so no konkan ti we ne any 3 women goalkeepers a ye ka koyi baako amongst them as their best and so ewo wiase nyina na ni o man so no etumi akonkan a yete atuga eno so ne kakra eno so free wo pa ye be free mu e wo Paris Saint-Germain ni ya hwem se players out na ana wo mo contract situation no enso ya ye intense enso ewo wo ma so ye na wo mo hwe nim se wo mo hwe se abrante friend no Lionel André Messi Cochitini ebe extend the contract and so dia mambo buku no abrante baako dependable defender onu so ejire wo etutu ni ama mane ni o man so no ema ni o me konkan no abrante friend of Marquinhos Correa na Marquinhos Correa no so the contract extension wo mo hwe nim so mo tumi extend until June 2017 kom twetwe no and so etumi ahase wo mo hwe nim se enu o man so no ebetumi akonkan na Marquinhos Correa and so ebetumi stay and so ewo Paris akade ama PSG na enu o man so etumi akonkan uremo ewo Belgium on national team and na me tuga so opinion friend of Domenico Tedesco ono na ne wo ma pa no as first team coach ono so ba be kuta Belgium national team no na onim so before na Roberto Martinez e wo hono no ne opinion friend of Thierry Henry enso anana omane achirimu as ne assistant coach nso eho na enei after so opinion friend of Domenico e buy no Thierry Henry ono so no wetumi ejabo boko no anasa o man no national team no so etumi ato 20 Thierry Henry as we speak ono so nya assistant manager Enfama Belgium national team no enso ebio eno so no nsem kakra eno so free ho eba Zlatan Ibrahimovic 8 months ni ontumi nsiakan season we nyina ontumi nsiakan Enfama team a ye from Association Calcio de Milan e the Italian Scudetto ni mu na branche no etumi aba waba back wa bounce back from injury I no so any nam grass no so oye training na mum no oguso ehwe nim se ne no obetumi adwani group no na training and road runner enso etumi ato akoso ye ka players are more returning from injuries no abrante friend of General N'Golo Kanté so no isi aka dem a Chelsea ono so no long term injury and abrante netumi akọ endrada adwani ni teammate a ukopie mu e wo Kobama na enuoma so no konkan a General N'Golo Kanté enso etumi apa eba pe ye juma ma enuoma so no etumi akonkan dia bo Chelsea ma bibia so no enso etumi akonkan ti eno so no kakra eno so free or eba Van Nistelrooy and so a legend at Manchester United pana say Odin Nkwe as coach and as a manager at the any Eredivisie club ye from Philip Sporting Handovan and so a ho PSV and ye chanity a Efre womo and ho Anna Brighton on and so the ababe to go say a Brighton friend Cody Gakpo okay pa no she Cody Gakpo na enei or share a Brighton against ya OC ewo Liverpool enioma atochim papa enso ediamano enioma atochim enso ediamano papa enti ohwe enim sa branche a jefreno Cody Gakpo obetumi afane ne rhythm na mom abranche na de tu nenim se Robin manager mebo Manchester United na agesimu obebi kura ana opani a jefreno Erik ten Hag or yes or be sign impo da ediama Ayas and sana Manchester United obe pie mu no so eneme kwa bedimechi na yenko bepem ne abrante ye ntumi make move ma swift team a ye friend Liverpool aba be fa no nti abrante na nkasa team no ne modimo na enko kan no enye se enko kan keke o team no ompe or can on authority and yes I wabo man you da and I say bibi no de kan mum komo abrante ni di no anono so abetuga e de ato public ni say yanso yehu na yen consume ni yehu se ne man so no e konkan de ma Cody Gakpo ene bra obre e wo Liverpool and also in sem kakra e free oba Messi enso e wo Turkey Messi wo Turkey no Mesut Ozil. And so a German legend Mesut Ozil a Real Madrid Arsenal former player ono so esi akan and so e wo Fenerbahce e de ma say kra no edwuma no kra wejai and so e wo hono ma ono so e hwe nim say nya de football kro betumi abopio ono a branch friend no Dries Mertens ono so no Belgian international nei wo mo atoto ni ama wodo na pi bi e de akwa kopie mu ama victims a wo mo nso no etumi eboy say wo mo nje na wo mo so emfa mbo eboa wo antutu nioma obra wo mo nso ebre through sa earthquake etumi esi e wo Turkey no nti wo mo so kakra wo mo de eboa no eno nso eno no na eche say nioma ne de edosu ye pa nioma bibia kan bi bibiara eka eno so nioma kakra e free Turkey aso ye nkoma metumi de abo wa nen Christian achu nkoma ne de eno ani enti no Messi form na metemu etiama solo na jumedi ahodo na yenso yetumi ato aso
okay yeah that crop ya sante ase so what the amanen some no enso e dia bere yenti what bebre no a enso e wo ye ba bedi mu nkomo kakra insama e ba ye wa amanen no e bedi hu nkomo kakra be sima be ye dubi ntem na fe ya to aso enso e dia ma ko Facebook na fa comment no egu obra ye beje bre na ya kenkan dia ma Facebook e Okoman radio 97.1 e wo Facebook udu wa like page no na share na fe drop your comment and so Brian kind kakra enfema Victor hene say more fire Adi Diamond on also share fire emoji or the aba and afi Oyibo Boaten say from Anchuman Nirebi in Kumasi watching you live. God save Christian Achu for Mother Ghana and also here Oyibo Boaten at the Adwa TV say may the good Lord protect and deliver the lives of all earthquake victims. Amen. Greetings to you all, Okoman Radio Global Sports Crew. Adwa TV, inti Adwa Pokua, and also dene the ejire Papa Fresh, and so say wa share and all the fire emoji no, and so the aba Star Boy, and so the aba saying watching the show live and clear at I have Mem Airport, Okoman FM Sports, no size. Congratulations to Real Madrid for their victory against Al Ahly yesterday. Greetings to Yasma, Oyibo Boaten, Tactus Man, and my lovely father, no joke, inti Starboy, and so they are there. And also, but me, I drop out there, and so Facebook, Okoman Radio, na yaken kanina, they are senior Tanase, senior Kwaba.
Oh, Papa Boko, so.
Apomu Bibia Sheye.
Oh, Bibia and Koyesa, but.
Your man said, Uncle, ye.
Oh. But I did near the Yamiase, Samaka Yamanko, and yet, Messide, but ocean in Groba, near my Cosuna.
Oh, okay, I was taking on.
Yeah, into Nama, and near my look at Cra.
Okay, but I befa.
Oh,
so I met you dear Kakra, Nina, I am pie. Nibia Kama. Okay, Uramu Kakra, Manana, Simabe, Numbina, baby, I'll befa.
Answer my Koibetia at you for Obi Otie and Kanka Udu, a PTC, a Gaugatete, a Utie and Power, and one Papa United. Okay. Shout out to them. But Solo, you share now, Adiaba, Ina, Ubia, Akan na as a Ghanaian. Na yani DH more, Yenu Barima, Achu, Semesi. Now, suddenly you can wish the way I see it na a hope, because. You say information about Bontia and Nipendi Jia will be relaxed and say, okay, fine, you're who and this, but Nantesa. Because I say, I think dinner will be our boys will be about the entire I say asset. I'm my area seeing now because I have a ball at in this animal account. Yama will be a tension and Akonoso. But we just in this scene, a higher clubhouse, and yet I think we are now. It means a team, one team manager, advisor, we united, more players here than Enso Ewo. Into take out that we now can. I could now we united than who 1 year. Into the idea, we say a more thing because we should have situations in a real Niamana Equa, we need pay a year. How I do because anything I say, I need to be because I say, take man and I say, Amazado original Ghana name ewo tekino waye ne nyuma ye I say waye ne nyuma ye because we show information a eba abonten a ono ya jetum sampa won achu na afi akiri no san ba betense no na ye mis identity na ebe mu a otimi say wa shira nje
ono no onso je report no na odeba
ba say wo je report a ya dwuma ye solo. So we my information so make sure say information or them one information but one can say funny out say information ni pade am on correct na because one yes na akoka na ekire kofa asem ma wo benya asem but one dance what the information dey am and at least nka wo ye anamusini ho na asem tu ya what information ma say on kwasa so ye den wo ye information you say ampa say e no kwasa o den o de abetu abonten but wan yes an ma no apart from no wo hwe one wo di card information ni ba ye won team na nkasa nkra so the same information ya den e buy and say one say wo yin say abaka say no was it na what ba me ase na ye information ya wonya na ye no kwa because according to one watching hospital e wo ho nyina wo che say wo wetimi de ayarefo na kwa gogu but still wo hu atwe ye be sele won eyi ye owu ene nkwan ene nipa life nso na den ye mi say atwe wo abusua owo yere owo papa no owo maame no owo nuanom nti say sa ne ma ne ebe ma na ebe ma wo be find very difficult isi say ni wo hu say we just to me say yampa so ni wo so no but the scene chese one wo ho no chese no still wo hu e den atwe because na ye na yesa hwehwe mu no wo say ni na je to me say na atwe wo 9th floor but according to ebinimu a wo say na atwe ni 9th floor because no wo basement e wo ase ho na wo wonti say ho na wo dua den wo hwe say obehu na anse na obegu da won so wo say dan bi adwuru ablock sa we no chefe na what twen say it be ba na wo beju say menti ye bon pa say obekọ wo koyi na o hyewo ye de ni ye pan say behu say atwuni o yentimi predictimum for now de yentimi predict say we ana so atiase but as a Ghanaian na say as a nipa ye obi ko social ma say na bible ka say obi sua ni nso obi ni ja ni nje no emre ye wo ya rahu mi ntia say na ye de ye won de ejim bi na ye kan won pa bo bi o hye bia no say otiase o say be we ye ni yentimi predictimum but ye ba ka say rade ma ye hu no ba bi o bi ara ma ye hu nti say je say I near 4 days up to a year 1 week and I say the influence by 1 week young baby I go say and you say team say you be when I see you why we say nyametiasi still you be who atwu nti no beka atwu abusuafo ani obi bia odo na say one shedding ne yen kwahwe am pai man nyamje say you be who atwu.
Okay, senior duty and I what say on also amanone wakọ den nsama banti Christian atwu issue no na senior wura mu kakra ni take die no ma Kobe abremu kakra we issue amano.
Things that yabeshe nsem kakra na no man so to me akonkan because and that form but ni nyina mu no eye pa mani o man so no to me akonkan FIFA Club World Cup I so Morocco no and I think say we shemu a now Real Madrid say they are the most successful club in the FIFA Club World Cup, no. One to me winning 4 times, and they are the onlyth club one more to me winning on 3 successive occasions under Openia friend of Zinedine Zidane as their manager then, and so Elho. And the last time FIFA Club World Cup no hosting so or the African soil in Morocco, baby I in currently. Real Madrid Kuruyara and I knew to me buyer or non so Babeji and so Amanioma to me a conkin 2014 Omone San Lorenzo and it to me a boy or Mutume Winnie trophy no and so as the most successful club in the competition and our ball and so Morocco no ye she ni say for the first time no na ye she ni musanka ebenya African club will be or no so be to me a den Akuffo or the grand finale since 2013. I nenu yenya team ofri yenya we team we Casablanca from Morocco. Obeka 2013 one money Bayern Munchen and a day ebueni and so honoma ene Bayern Munich to me a winning. And before then, now the first club now way to me a be or the African club are to me abueremu or the grand finale so far as a FIFA Club World Cup no concern no TP Mazembe in 2010 our musu to me akoko PM or honoma Inter Milan after say Jose Mourinho de Samuel Eto'o ne Sule Muntari no mo to me abuejuma and so Inter Milan our mo jesa treble no eba be PM our musu TP Mazembe by 3-0 our musu to me the win so now ni ye hwe ni mu say anka for the 3rd time yebenya an African contingent or no way to me make a history say benya 3rd timer in African club or no so in the grand finale of the FIFA Club World Cup but and drata o she performance and ali our danedi and dranso throughout because woman no ebo edibesia Real Madrid and Flamengo and woman train in the semi-finals no, and from the round of 16 quarter-finals no yehu performance Ali to me eda nedi but then dra I think say na a gamer na very difficult at them Ali say woman be to me overcome this Real Madrid side, especially the most successful club in that FIFA club tournament and I bono, and indeed Madrid to me show one superiority ewo football mu ede over Ali and Endrano womunya that victory no so to me ede ekoye, and I think say modern boy Ancelotti na nyoma egu ni chimpa ne modern boy in the La Liga no enshada enkonkan and now people are starting raise certain doubt about Nejuma enenu or ye unze is one manager on shada aim to me and consistent in terms of Ejuma or the clubs on the abo into Oba Noko from Chelsea, even Real Madrid in the second time or returning into not this particular season we share said yeah Ejuma has having so the Barcelona and at the back one we are Madrid fan and Madrid Nibia and person will be who say even if Senior Madrid and a dominating league, and as any other competition was Spain, it shouldn't be Barca too. Eko Atletico Madrid are one comfortable. Eko any other club one comfortable. But the moment Barcelona no, then whoever anywhere in charge of Real Madrid team associate to me about something. And only idea any that major problem and any more penny. It's not more shame say and draw particular game on be to me and make it normal na BB to me I work here Real Madrid and of course and draw to me that victory no and so to me I could PM or fan. I want more shame so we winning for the 5th time. Not just say no woman so echo many na gabo no one more dia tum ediama Barcelona so far Barcelona and they could 3 Madrid they could 4 into one coin 5 and just say one more the gabo yes and one Real Madrid as a Real Madrid supporter as any Real Madrid fanatic biano ehwehwe nim se betumi akonkan ediama Real Madrid na no man so etumi akoye so but it was a good test for Ali. One more to me about one more playing against Real Madrid. I think say yes. One more issue be kakra. Ali Ankasano in recent times, so the last 3 years, after some of the Picho Mosima nearby, even domestically, one more than one year then, and said I am conquering Zamalek na league, in the last 2 seasons, and so Egypt they Emma or more honomu. So I think the one more than one Ankasankasan, even the African continent, Shadia RS Bekani, one more into me, the last edition, one more into me, Ambo and remove, but being the second, and amount on that opportunity, one more by represented, and so Elho, and then no crano, just because FIFA Amrano, Makwan say, Yebenya, or mine Bakwan, Yenya 2 clubs, now one more participating at the same time, FIFA Club World Cup. Tisanka will be Real Madrid and the Barcelona, woman FIFA Club World Cup, and ya dear FIFA Ambra, Emma Okwan say, Crew Bakwana, League Bakum, Yebenya 2. And clubs are more represented our competition and intinama anke RS Bekani and Raja Casablanca and I said with that Casablanca rather and anke be to me participate but because in the confederation RS Bekani in the Super League Super Cup share Al Ali but because with that Casablanca participate no CAF Champions League champion intino no automatic or participate but ye ba share the Super Cup any that of a new confederation and then no ana Ali elusi to RS Bekani but na it is Ali Nembe because yen to me another Moroccan club obey to me I participate because Mrano Emma ho kwansa say o mind back on the 2 clubs bebo and no Emma ho kwan until one more form na nkasa ne de I think say even from the round of 16 quarter final one more ebo one home modern but meeting Real Madrid na ya dia a very tough test for team I friend Ali but one more another opportunity to place third. I think the third year one more to be in the competition into one more share one more Flamengo another Brazilian side and anka ye ni musanka one more crown on finals because most at times the Brazilian clubs are one more na the European clubs are one more finals drop and even one more to me ni be a Flamengo or a champion in the Club World Cup when we teams are one more to me win be into Obano ni ye ni say with David Luiz Arturo Erasmus Vidal, Gabigol, one more players in the national team women who need at the top level club side women who need but I think it's Saudi Arabia Ali Hilal one more to me Juma and so ediko when third and fourth near said the new maybe to me but in the finals Madrid obviously 70 to even 80% won't to me the betting the ama hila enfa betting the ama won to me a surprise Roma.
Okay, me so me shade bi bisa me wo say na be ne ebenya African club a obegbo awura mo finance na wakwaje.
Oh enche me hunu say enche why enche because Ali TP Mazembe Kobi and say ye nyina ye hu TP Mazembe wa aba fam pa
omo de aba fam
pa TP Mazembe ko sia Inter Milan amfa sanso ana Raja Casablanca from Morocco ekoshia Bayern Munchen and also into me amfa and these are the two clubs that womo to me abwe in the finals now we should be the Northern Africa for no the football no gradually still na one more exam basro and we Morocco say baby a one more football ne do compared to 2013 Raja Casablanca from Morocco ekobo finals na ende eno to me anko ye amfama with that Casablanca omo into man in the finals but I think say subsequent years year in year out are one of Moroccan club and I say that of Egyptian no obakube to ma in the finals anya hwe oni nemu kajire kojo a obetumi akwakosia team bia bibia betumi esi obetumi agibi because pyramid wo hwedwuma wo mo ye Zamalek ene Ali Kruya these three clubs are wo free Egypt modern boy wo mo bone competition a wo mo edem ma wo mo ho in the Egyptian league na wo mo betumi ai and the African continent the confederation and that of the Champions League no edwuma wo mo bona I think say one day betumi aba wo hwe Raja Casablanca wo hwe that of Wydad Casablanca I think the Juma Wamonso no RS Bekani in the last 3 years African terrain muno yenhwe more than Wamonso ebo so I think that these three clubs from Morocco and that of the other three from Egypt womo betumi aboa OGS no more any other teams no from Algeria and ye hwe nim say anka womonso betumi aba but I think say for the FIFA Club World Cup the apex of club football in that regard I think say Egyptians and any Moroccans no need to me actually Tunisia for so by that is TP Mazembe one so be mu ye pa ba see TP Mazembe na nkasa kra no
DR Congo
masama DR Congo yes one nkasa sika kra ba form wo sika ba form kra semfa say TP Mazembe emfa bio ntino ya hwe nim but me very hopeful say ebenya an African club obetumi akwaje with Egyptian clubs and that of Moroccan club no me wogidi wo mumu ye pa ebetumi abo aba be fam because no bia so dance so that say a DR Congo club na be the first club to have played in the FIFA Club World Cup finals so sa na ebetumi nya ebia wo hwe dia kotoko egusu a eye be na wo hwe Hasselhoff wo mu nya chan players a wo mutumi ebone adi wo mutumi ya oh yes one has to folk na ba be fam kotoko na ba be I think say betuma ko o tikeni bi betuma ba be wrem say o ti ase
oh yes atoto players no
ni atogbe ye oh right materials no obenya na wo hwe sika or pumping infrastructure it will get to a point ono anso be hu say no and me believe in togbe pa ono be hu say it has gotten to a point sika when invest infrastructure no munyina no sa sika no even more it was on fanko the shores of Africa and koto an elite A-list players and Fambra Hasselhoff na wo ma competition no Africa no so no and so I think say Hasselhoff ka ye bi nti ebe ye but me what the koto ko Hasselhoff to am hu say Hasselhoff ka ben ho ni ti am see Hasselhoff ka ben ho no football ni beko ye nyina infrastructure number 1 and they din kind and si sani o mani nyina so ba sometimes player kura beko bebi o hwe sani o mani nyina now only players are move to Camp Nou Real Madrid all because of sani o man the environment alone and it's how comfortable are we
players aba Ghana ama complaining
and even yes and even o share o tekotoko na masa enioma nkoye now Hasselhoff the environment gym center and sanioma oh wow sanioma no kra na be ma players kra no
ombenya quality players
ebe fall in love with Accra Hasselhoff so I think say another topic for another day a big one pa ba me hwe nim say that bia enche per baby a standard atobede konde betumi akosro amaye.
Okay, crab ya na wote nka ewa manone enso ensem no ye ba na fe me how no so ye de ato aso na uko Facebook and na ya junior say you guys are doing a good job also ye da se pass wo hwe yen and afi ya sebe Amakoma himfie also watching live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop inside Amakom Kumasi. Good morning also yeah, good morning. Amadepa also good job. My love, okay. Fire emoji ne so na mu so what try na ne what try na me kan I don't know nim ya the man so the other man no dey nim ne what try so ne obi di ba e bia me kan entene dey so say me kan also good job my love and a fire emoji to aso to the other ba no yeah ba na fe me how no ya dey ato aso And 16 minutes past 11. Yamrana fe yemedin komo. Ewo me how ni mesha se free crop ya ho. Simabe se enso en watwe de. Fako na fe fa ensama eda wakoma so. Ewo Ghana football nim. And as a Ghana sports enso yemu fabra.
Oh, so you bet you obi bia, obi bia a very good morning pa and so a view. Me how no kakra na ye on say football na ye no. Enye kwa say inti na obekọ no anka coach pe ene ne assistant. Won abetumi de players are training. Na wo mo eyes and the players are den akwa bobo.
Yeah.
But enye ne sa akwa inti no Oma ye kono na yen ani nso bie and wo ma yesua wo mo no nso no yesua wo mo yie nti yesua wo mo yie ne de na che se anamon pa wo mu tu na yehu se eno na eboa wo mo agudie no sa anamon pa no so ana wo se yen so yen den yen fa so and o hwe club bia na structures ne ade a ye de run club bia no and so ade very important na se yen nyina yehu se Accra House of Folk yenim say House of Folk wo board yenim say House of Folk wo management sani o mani nyina no say we your board members and I say we your management members in sani o no I think say even with the board won betumi afine we bia won betumi aye den e dia ma won necessarily say won ko fa nipa be 10 25 ingu board so won betumi nipa be 2 won betumi nipa be 3 but management e ya de ahun aye pa e wo football institution mu edema every other club bia and certain positions within the management any obi bia duty I was say on here any obi so responsibility I was say on here and has of okay nyina nim say odotei any akambi ana ne wo mo eye adwuma sankrofo yi ankasa ya questiona for years ni won she dan hu adwuma sampanifu yi ankasa ye womu nse de ni call role say oyide oyese unhu dinkura fama sampanifu yi enti House of Folk supporters are question for years ye hu role pa potin say womu ana ye scout o womu ana call for negotiation in terms of signing of players o say womu ana ye den o say project be koso ye project e wodi mu why check in terms of checks and balance oyi eye na adwuma ye me hwe se asimesi oye PR a oye wadwuma ye hwe sane o manyina ye hu se eye won a na ye ana intina manfo a question the structure of Accra House of Folk especially when it comes to the managerial aspects and roles are some of these persons you know and as a personnel so na wo mo play in House of Folk and ya kan ya na bedu baby na togbo ye den ebe kire se sampanifu de wo mo sombo pa de ma no and niama wo mo yen so clear kire se san nkrofo kuru ya na wo mo identify players nkrofo kuru ya na wo mo go in for negotiations nkrofo kuru ya na wo mo ehwe nim say House of Folk ebenya sponsorship nkrofo kuru ya na in terms of House of Folk marketing ni ade nyina no nkrofo yi wo bi and ebaye ncheye beye bosome beye num konsiani ana yati so sisi ade to gbe se wa bre nti if House of Folk enye supporters enye content with Akambi any odote role ni dia say no solely His Royal Highness emayeti asese solely sam penifu benui ejuma wo mo ka koye nyina ne ye pobiman ejuma o make no emphatic say ejuma from now till then wo mo ba be ye dia ma House of Folk no eye pobiman project no ye dia hye Alhaji Akambi any odoto insa na emom ne ye de opani a ye frɛ no Nana Jebi a oni mu de e de ma wo mo de ni profile krunche ni profile nyina suku a wakwa awodo nyina nyuma a waye wo wiase nyina e de beto wo so no na nei ono ba be House of Folk MD e di ama wo opani ni bae no enche kraaye ana nei opani no e de se a resignation o se den yo because said the etin so na che se wa resign anisa enye House of Folk na House of Folk an for official we bi ambassador opani ye ne nakọ bankrum and one ma ye ya we say do one man contract enye permanent ne move for that moment ne de one mo kire so for now the on now ba be act into no ye acting MD at the club no
managing director
yes into acting na ekoso no na time frame bi and wonti at any given point in time obetumi akọ but with my knowledge any Ghana football sene nyina yenim ne sene yenim yen clubs no sene wo mo era ne any niama nsem ewo especially Kotoko ne has nsem de yenim nsem ewo mpa players kura ba na wo mo bebo 1 year 2 years na wo kwa wo mo pia yenim nsem a wo mo ka management e ba na wo mo kwa ye nyina yenim nsem a wo mo eka nti club House of Folk na ewo hon yenim nsem ewo mu openi na jawo adwuma na to and say wo check managing director and I say management director ejumo ya ye twa ni ti afre no MD ni role a o play in every institution in football institution those ye papa and na ma hwemu a na me say inti sa roles we nyina no emu ne wen ana House of Folk exhibit and say wo mo ya yefo ana ye den ehwe sa mpanifo no so ana nti sisi a uru ya de more penny no in terms of marketing team no branding brands ye ka brands team no branding say ka ko fa sponsorship abani say no openi we buy pa no month no bedin den adwuma pa na openi we e buy obeye ma House of Folk
obedi 4 months
den adwuma no obeye
my memo de man tenenka
wa meye hwe papa bia amfa mbo House of Folk because ni ana ekoso wo House of Folk no oba in this month a obedi wo House of Folk no bi den necessary bibia sesa
Akambi no na na
still na House of Folk supporters anyway even na senya wo mokobo bechemu share wo mo na senya Dreams FC ya Akambi ni sa nkrofu ya cases an sorry internally bia internally oba internally o make sure san ko beye bibi ba mimi wuni so opani no amemrenfe any yaw any kwan a won man fan more penny na fan ye adwuma ni no penny ni ko
also obi a interfere na adwuma
oh obra to me kan o public look adwuma no yen
na some na wakan ni ni
yes
I didn't resign from House of Folk based on interference
obwa oh ana me kire say tie adwuma no kura se wagya wato a in the contract na any publication a House of Folk bra wo mo edi adwuma no hye ne sa wo mo de ba abonten kire say oba be ye den oba be act one amano time frame bia on at any given point in time opening bet me akọ and no problem but opening ni buy in one me hu say wan hye dan fa as of sponsorship be no de buy checks and balance den pa no be ye say obe make sure so bia betumi play any role iye den on the bread House of Folk brand papa be no de bread House of Folk brand ben den ade pa potin no be ye or as MD for sa 4 months den no be ye enu nko da papa yi bayi asem o kan o yi me metie ni pa na metie ni pa o yo trofo atru bebre because ejuma no ye no owo ni school awako ni ejuma oye any this role say what you say
yeah
into no another company another institution eba be fan and even before ba no oye ejuma o company mu enti sesi ana wa ba house of oku no niama ekọ so wo club ni mu no untumi mfa beto abonti because the beto abonti at your own risk no institution eba be fa because institution bia no problem ewum enti se utumi ko house of performance na problem akọ face wo be ka wa abonti a institution bia ba be fa say bra be yedwuma na obehwe mienu because nim say wo ba ha anything be ebe happen no after wo tenure no wo ko abonten a wo ka ko yi institution na ma and I say whatever wrongs I cause so ha whether positive or negatives you know betumi dia ko abonten meanwhile that shouldn't be out there for the public so what I say inti no so penini kan say obi a interfere na say we no dey look the most important thing any their permit me openi no he was not given the room to operate as MD. Rua eti so operate no wanga amfama no niama onu ni hia no dia yeduma as the club MD obe brand club no e dey secure sponsorship ni ade ama club no we nya sa nioma ni nyina and if that is the case later on supporters will be coming out na more questions openi kura ba ye hu dia waye
and that is how they major na to
yes so you know any experience any companies akese a wo institution akese a wa ye adwuma wo mu no onimude and as a professional it was say on go by that tangent no fe adwuma into had it not been openi no and or resign I don't think say though he is acting but I don't think say house of humanity as say until say one mo be find it obi oba be ye adwuma na nkasa ne de so ono no okurem sisi openi ne kwa how many days ni inti sa ro ni nyina asanso akakoda hemfo so
akambi ojotai
inti change ben a bar from sa and ye akambi no mufia ne yenkofo obi mfia abontembra sa nipa no kofa ne by 4-man time oko inti sisi aden sa eduma na nkasanga hina no ye
ha supporters enti omo ho asese akambi ojotai o ma na ye ha adwuma ne
so what you say inti sisi ahina ne ba be ye
ya try Elvis hema
I was say house of folk house of folk ehia nipa personals bebreu was say certain duties woman na ye it shouldn't be one person na say akoye to say boy edwuma bi
okay
yes because even me believe say I can be ne odote no they should be giving more credit because they are working exceeding the hours woman ye I'm telling you
omo ye adwuma ne bro so
niente say woman ye nyina woman na ye woman na call for player negotiation nyahota makro no nyina negotiate players yes
Pobiman project
yes I was say yemfa we mbra nyahota ma I was say house of folk and saki coach ye nyina ye hu time a buedu saki nyina nyaho ye one person a ojejine mu enye ne sa time kra na prosper na to ogum wokotoko odi ni twa ne mpoa so sani o mani nyina ye sani nipa basan nyawo de yenim so no owo board no so oye the first aid to openi aye friend no his royal highness Togbe Afedi because ono de Togbe Afedi ni wosisi ya ono na club no order in charge I say esi ni sreso se Togbe ni wosisi ya akambi odote ne nyawo PR no kra de ono de
kwame para
so ono de ne djuma kra de mba
so no sha o ma say
yes ono de se what you say nti haso folk ehia sa nkrofo nyina wo aba be ye djuma
Mate, me da se krobia we wura mo house. Sini abrei. Onso de kakra na ento aso.
Toro. Me wura mo GFA.
Okay.
Young president which is where Keto Kret.
Keto doing small.
Yeah. Ege ko solo. Ya fa ne manifesto or the bar. Be the president. Go say this year to aba. But me hu hwe say mahu bibia manifesto ade ba abontin eniama o ka so obeye no why we na
so o kan sponsorship wa ma mu bi sponsorship na me de mi hu ni say o de aba catch them young referees no so akofa de aba yeah and so aba ama referees no o tete referees nketwa so to me de ma
okay
o kan so better under 15
when
national team no coach ni yi na free o de aba me nim say national team no go so o de ya eno achi no Bakupa da makoma pon so pa na me expect so be ye one pitch one ball hole no. And also me won because the pitches no kura grasses ni na ewu.
Because Ushe nenti me buja say now Ghana team and Ghana as a whole football team ekonechi.
Yan ball no konechi.
I wasn't keep progress ko anim ekonechi. Then tina me kasa fiti national team from under 17, 20, 21 up to 10 up to Brass Tangasa. This time about yako tournament maku 4 set be a new ayatele group stage. Be a new ayatele group stage. Hey, China yako na anu yen. And yet Morocco funa mark yen tele group. Yen team kula kwa group stage.
And they say you to me try.
We are
sent you to me try.
What did group stage? How many matches na boy?
I say Morocco into about one match. And you did qualify coin.
Solo?
Oh yeah, they are qualified. It's another day.
Or the 10 are qualified for group stage.
I tell you, oh yeah,
Solo. Ya niama ye nya wo Ghana football nya adwuma. Because ye hwe Maria na ye yi president and ye yi FA president. Na enyama ekoso wano. But FA bekwe a ye change say no say president ni kwan ana aban ni kwan so appoint a president as a GFA no. I hope na Ghana football start go. Usha now Senegal football president. Oba in the term. Obehu say no to progress in the league you know and I say you bought African Cup on this animal no. Na Senegal for like so o make sure say obete national football team. Academy national. So every talented player be or you good you know. What time no what work on national. You be there and we training from 15 no back 17 back 18 so you progress as I do national team we do Senegal proper nankasa no proper nankasa no na we experience emu yeduru pa but then you Ghana enkoso enya adwuma entine enye me won wase ye tournament a you know baby ani asan ye chiaba
Comoros na shey
Comoros be say Senegal we Madagascar be say na Nigeria say they say say teams are nanka ye ka football they are nowhere to be found.
Yes, you must say the proper place no
proper ye standard no what not to know when we say I had one count not to
omo na dey to proper place
what ye na yes ye African stars no ye best we Brazil in Africa no now ye timi kwa say Comoros Madagascar no ye timi won na anu ya ne nansan ya FIFA wo ye world league ayebo the whole world Ghana ye 100 mko you Ghana 100 Ghana nim so president na we din den we are president for Sikapa na who's or the sponsors or the buy sponsors or buy none of the club any with the details of the sponsorship we also club also say the detail of the sponsorship now work with Jaba no
ya nchreche omumu so mo call congress ye be chreche BBM say we no so buy na mo chreche
mo kakra solo sponsorship no ye what the details of the sponsorship enyama wo mu na mu ye duru bisa won say club ben ehun enya say be fa say ya be ya oti a wa ye wo checks ya wa do tu nyama da wani mu o ka kire yen metima hu that metima hu ensema wo mu pa we just metima headline pen wajai but the details say what sponsorship na kasa minim none of them obi any what sponsorship ni be so how say yen na ye club na wa ko je sponsorship na bra yen no uma ye hu the details of the sponsorship the details of the near me wom say obey say ye clubs no you don't know but what could just sponsor ati but you see you near me den ewom ye ball ye ball Ghana ye ball local she pitches she near but o me ati ase obey one pitch one ball home up to now emaye but what say abegina se santo abama wo leba biem in the process no mugusu ye say league ye kwa mo abaye no autonomous mo pa another 3 years account until we be 12 years 8 kura ye hu anu ye mo pa 12 Na president kwa yan kasa ga omena yetim kasa president na yetim no ya to 12 ya to ma 1 ya to 2 terms pe and ya to 3 term
8 years.
Ndide na wo be say wo 3 because munim niam e wo ho. Wunim niam e wo ho.
Okay.
Yankwa yan regime na president a odi boy o president in GFA odi sika crashing the whole way ni na teams na kasa go sika crashing so ye na wo hwe yen so how o pedium and we allowance a wuje wakabu mu abebere
Yeah, time cry 1,000 cedis outside Ghana.
That's it.
Or
So
Ghana 500 cedis.
or Ghana 500 you to kwan 1,000 the men to and dem be to kwan
Airtime on Kwan.
that time it you just too much too much.
Senior me that say.
Ya brenti no ya be sire mpayefo
Amate.
one for one nancy form
Me that say.
na when you checks when you near emu eduru because that's a Ghana football na ekọ na achi cause ya reho
Me that say.
ya reho pa
Karim Wayo ono ehwe ye oye has supporter kese pa Wayo ehwe ye. Enti club you say has nsam na wo kan no nani agye ho pa. Obo abaso ma me fa local stories mienu bi mfam na yemrambedi enkomo we nso mfiri wona fe yen sore dwumadie no eso enche bebu ahoma no so na wo de wadwen kire e de aba Ghana Football Association MTN FA Cup Committee no panyi oda no ye Owura Wilson Ata wakasa de aba se clubs ekobo round of 16 no obia transportation ye betua e de amano before say date ni bedu ansa na makwa akobo omo matches nti round of 16 matches na be baso on the 24th to 26th of February and a round of 16 for MTN FA Cup no on be going to be a seeker was a demand for transportation no on be to in advance ansa na makwa akobo omo matches no and so e wo ho no mo and after GPL week 16 team of the week no and so aba GPL week 16 team of the week goalkeeper near Frederick Asare of Kumasi Santo Kotoko and Nuruddin Abdullah Ewo Midiama Farouk Adams Goal Stars Stephen Anoche Badu and so Ediana Stars omo 3 defenders omo so yeyi wo mo na fe ye ba mfinfi wo no ma Emmanuel Ajiman Badu Great Olympics Abranta ni de Fraven Kwesi Kongonza ono so Brekum Chelsea Rashid Norte Kotoko ena Manaf Abdul Omar ono so wo RTU omo so wo mfinfo ena Abranta ndi de Noah Mate bibia no Goal Stars mfinfi no so ye 5 ena ni mo no Steven Mukwala Kotoko ena Samson Eduku of Tamale Cities enti 3-5-2 formation ena mo e boy coach ayeyi no ono coach that week no the modern mo kon ye coach Seydou Zebo of Kumasi Santo Kotoko team of the week no and so no instructor man announce Abranta de McDennis Eli Doche formerly of King Faisal na fe Wafa announce no sign no 2 years contract and also have sign Ediama instructor man FC Bobo Kono enti no so ne ekoso e ho no mo opinion ni de Bernard Jebi crowd be the kan no ho some de da and in summer okay no so making kind of I say one resign for how to focus adwuma because of interference and only in summer Bernard Jebi and so Eka Ghana Football Association for answer the about say transfer window no second transfer window no nyame adoma on the 10th of February and I'm paying for betum 11:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. and omobeto transfer window no Friday we are NFA say register with player for competitions and also no close on the 15th of February 5 p.m. and also Wednesday 15th of February 5 p.m. and then also no betum and so our hunter na waka na washan so ede amame ye ko Black Queens akachia head coach Edema Black Queens and so to me apau emaba we be say omon sha say ye campaign and so fema the Black Queens of Ghana sani ebe ya omo matches ahoro anyame adoma February busumi yemu omo bebo and so ho per report no kra no Ghana bebo Togo and so ewo eho no mu bie na modern one betumi akonkan edema the Black Queens of Ghana head coach Nora Haptel and so to me apa member we be say omomra na omonsha campaign ase and so to me fama the Black Queens of Ghana Abdullahi Salamatu ɔka ho ɔno ɛwɔ Tamale Super Ladies abraba ne de Achiampon Juliet Achia Anastasia Edubia Prinsela sanso ɛna Adama Alhassan abraba ne de Ophelia Mponsa Enima Naomi Enima Grace Apia Martha Asantua Grace Ativo Edem Afe Bedu Evelyn Buaduwa Doris Buache Portia Azuma Bugri and Afe Ababa the Grace Buedu and Veronica Dakwa Omo Eye Emaba Wayaton Safra Mujenete J Eshon Lenda Fuseni Salamatu Haruna Zinab and Afe Isaka Laratu Onoso ya freni bi Ababa the Cynthia Collan Makati Eye Kerry and Afe Nyame Mafia Nyameche Stella Osei Victoria Osei Gifty Owusu Jacqueline Owusu Princess and Afe Salifu Safiatu Tai Suzy Dede and Ababa Wanide and the Perpetua Tua and Yakubu Fidos Omo Emaba Wayatonsa and Saframo Ewa the Black Queens of Ghana and so Akache enti no Augustina him for said GFF one jintum say omo ye bibi ne ka omo ho nsama omo jintum o ye adwuma creators ne de ebeba enti according to Augustina him for o say na futu a odema GFF ne say criticism no ebeba o maso ye enti ye de ma oma omo jintum no mu ntie mu nsam no mu so ye mu nsam ene Augustina him for club ya bra kakrai local stories ne mu na afesi ni asomram ne emu ahoma no
Augustine say
I say GF 400 credits are about my say nintum.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Send there no. Say obi a raise criticism and as obi a criticize or a raise critique. And no doesn't mean say nipa ne time when I say bibi. Juma no person when you that very person is putting who or she in the authority no is putting that person on his toes so betumi aye juma mani o metumi akonkan so as a legend as Augustine ayim for cancer I think say menene ya adwen 100% but e bia na onhwe ye na wo mu koshia wo meeting bia ase a president anko kanse Augustine ayim for
ni ma bi o ye no embo system no
send this signal Amanfo anko kan kire ni say or say system no or say brand no or say brand no Joado say we atemudi or the man Joado ba ko atemudi kire di
legends ekosia for dinner
no say that time na wo mo prepare for Qatar World Cup Mundial no $25 million ye di bia ko AFCON kakra aka no o mu hwe nim sanka o mbetumi achichemu a nti eno so eno no well I think say the local league you know say we can do no matches ni ade wo ho ana
matches
yes women's football no so no eguso a ekoso and me very proud of the way our games you know ekoso no and one thing under 30 years of Kriku Amana aye juma run so well that the other section of the football no especially you talking of female games you know etumi akonkan ye pa it say wo mombo keto Kriku abaso e me nye ni say you see one thing o man na ye wo mu na wo say most of times yeah ni say baby a wo no when it is going well e was say woman the public you know wo munya we say baby a wo no eni o ma ye den e konkan it shouldn't be always you say oh ahanye wase ha ntino therefore na call round for baby even why ye ni no nyina no na de bone ne nko aye den e kata so women's football baby a opening no page dia kwa kodu no oh can about your national teams you know I think they are there still no man konkan your performance and kasa from the female side and the male side ni nyina no ye ni say yen den en konkan under the leadership of 30 years of Kriku but women's football you talking of the Ghana Women's Premier League no Malta Guinness Premier League yes yen fan counter women so no women say den ni o me konkan I think they know they were page mu pa ma very very competitive ama nneɔma nso na yɛ den egu so a yɛ kɔnkan so egu so a bi wɔ hɔ a ne nyinaa nkɔda no yɛ yɛn pitches no a da no menam na me kopie baako bi so a na wɔ mu twa ne live yɛ wurati
Omu twa pitch no live
ke baby a my bobo pa dia bobo
omu matches na yakɔ Facebook o
na meka no me sa na meka se me na mo na me kopie baako bi so a na wɔ mu twa na me share be 15 minutes bi wo be ne de wo be fa ne saa adi mbe ma no kra no ye hu so nti me ano wo be fa ne saa na ma nneɔma nso etumi akonkan but what's the division 1 when check one more the first round on eba new year
yeah me ba ma me announce phone line na to as well obetumi afra bem 0551 667755 0551 667755 and also 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 0270 1919 71 0270 191971 0551 667755 obetumi afra bem now so the wadwen kire e de aba krabi ato so
ade baako a obehwa eno so me boketa ba so pa no me bo na ba so nenko a look when was the last time I would say division 1 especially this season the first round of the season no
hello, good morning.
Yes, hello. Good morning.
Me bacho din baby akasa free.
Me Jojo, me kasa fi kevu.
Okay. Bacho yenti.
Na mo pana na ba ko we about kids. Na sponsorship we are kwaje ba na ade. Na me bi say all the clubs we need rep wo FO.
Obi a rep we ho.
Entin zo o na o kasi we need details a was sponsorship no dey amene na ya again because we rep anything we rep we FO. But when we be ofiba ore sani amani dey distracted dreams
attack no me pacho ya wo
me attack no ono ya nu be me so bi fiba ore sani amani dey distracted dreams but why then Sunday we better from ewo dewu.
Oh, okay. Me who be also free by.
Why who be me so mi fiba.
Me who ba.
Me that's it.
Okay. Hey, Asimo. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Fire.
Yeah, good morning. I'm home today.
Nyame adom na wonso e.
Nyame adom boko.
Me ba cho yenti o.
Yo, mini panel face see and the onion no. Why? Dreams, the guys that watch once to the Nyaka nyina ye wini won sa anti Sunday we be wini dreams to the wu. Nti obi anka no kuma ntumi yam. Na ketokre ku de omebo ayen. Se ne na Corby aka no. Say sponsorship officials be anim inside of the sponsorship. Yampa
senior on duty na kai.
Senior on duty yeah. Reps ne wo ho no. Up to now, Krakotoko, your choco is like woman sponsorship details. Up to now, Krembai. The name of service anything from SNE. Until be any when you walk, I one away you 1 year man. Now, if you were the other when your sponsorship, now one be chair the Ama class, you know. Until Ketokre could do. I say 4 years now, no video.
Mate, fire me that say. And also to bet me about 0551 667755. Now all the wadwen chere dey aba. Crab ya fa wan ni sima.
Ntino division 1 especially hooliganism and war young sentence by division 1. Sometimes we call a binum home grounds are nyama e koso no na
Amanfo we mbra. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
E ba cho din baby akasa free.
You me and I blast and I got we say you retire players no and anything that you to me team farmer blast because your men some say shebo oboche your men oboche ya me say but you see na kwakọ say play bi nyedi ni din obi pepe na won yi ni o hode da wono no akọ fara ba na won aja wona ti na so be na player ne body ball so ne ana obody da won any but it is so club be a club on after no front na e nyina any akono so na ya retire na wo hode da won so sha brofo na enye sa uti mo players no gba ji se wa retire for national team nim so wo change players full team sa ba Ghana de akwa kwezi bibi eni ani asesa bibi eni wa mo ho modern gba match ba kope no we bi ad na anu egu so na wa asa na wa kope na ba no nge jaw na to won so na onye sa na esen ka blast na esen entira ma teams ni se yenya teams mfa ma yenya players mfa ma national team no na eye sa GFA sponsorship deal no so no won clubs no say work trans management work trans say ko ma clubs no so bi rep so ko na nko nyina nya details about contracting se bia mo betina echi na mo beka so still na GFA for no so on fa details ne ma na so wo ngeje contract na say ya hometo nti say GFA for wo ma nyeme mu da ho na clubs no so hu say na say wo ye na bia ko so because wo club no wo mo we ni amra wo nya sponsorship was 32 matches here boy ni nyina yen ska transport wo be ko be ba wo be say players be di players motivation ya di nyina se club no nya supporters ma den na me wo kotoko fun sha ba so na me tera ngara kwesi da wo ba de wa wo ma yen ni nyi me da say
yen so ye da say nyame nhira no nka ho pa sa wo de wa dwen kire ba ye krabia
ntino me kire say afinu yenti basa yo bia wo the various centers e wo division 1 but minimum and Americano minimum the ebia first round in here but baby I as annual monitor ba pa ne ye say ye ba be end season no aka be 10 matches 5 matches bina ye pe di obe qualify ne annual man no aha intino but so far there very excellent at the my division 1 and me hu bi da all through
so
get no kwarapade to anamonko kwarapade say Ghana especially division 1 yebebo a whole half season ewie minti
to trace me
be that me first time ni
okay
me first time ni pa and what my yard yembo division 1 clubs no yembo the various zones no yembo bibia ba so any clubs no any supporters no wo mo edi wo mo hu ni pa I disciplined I know decisions I would na kire say and also kire say referees na wo mo division 1 no so bo ho modern because one start is our own Niamani here. Oh yes, Niamani was there and I make an edu baby I gain promotion to the premiership side now. That is where as I knew money baby. You know, referees no so and started one Niamani wo here because what started fans no be reacting. Other team officials no be reacting. That is where they say oye ni be to me about for now. Especially in the first round you day. Remember am about so wo ma bo adwuma papa elho. But look, my way for to the masses one more enya ne clear share solo say me no require agreement na me kire so 10 cedis ana edwuma e ba be yi onipa ne de be ma yen na sa 10 cedis me ne nyina atena na 10 cedis ma kire wo say wo me ma 3 cedi wom a wo went to me and challenge him went to me anye hwe waji atum say wo challenge me kura wo challenge me de me coin utimu na ofa ni say den mebu ana waba abonti aba be catch the public ni say mebu
okay
so what as we je 3 cedis no ana waba abonti aba be catch the public say mebu na me kura 10 cedis no man chire omuye look ye make no emphatic say ye clubs na wa obi every single so no otiase bi and even brands communication David Obinyako Crampo eka say den ono some of the clubs ni be say womu raise question no say kotoko even ono ankasa he was there or raise question ne question one answer na one answer and answer from the FA no one more the man no ekosi den na one wo take fa ho
so
that clubs na one ya we club ma club bia ni we ntutu we bia ya clubs na
omukwa no baye
yes amasa nti sisi a season ni kwawie ya wo sponsorship man wo de ma obeja na wonje nti se wuja de nti na weje
se waje atum nti na weje
bisa club bi official say onim sika at the end of the year no wo de be ma won as sponsorship money ana
obi ya say no
I dey not aware we ni legal sika wo de be ma anti dey aware
omo ya aware
inti uba bante where from sir official bi ani wo and as official bi ani wo
officials ne dey omo wo
obi ya wo inti
but club no ko mutumi nkasa
you dare not come out babe Mabe inside supporters say woman can say FI so they were there the moment I wage atum na me say me buo ana me bu na wage 3 cities in what ba bontia ba be can say who raise questions 3 cities ni so ana me muawo 3 cities ni so ana me muawo ana wage ko
mate na Koko Veronica I say good job my dear I want to ya da se pa senior bra kakra ne yanko why aka
sorry so send your this season born ayabona sponsorship ayaba teams na nkasa so ya the wayade because we share maybe a chuma na nka league no by this time no nka ba hwena kotoko ne has penna atie de anima work on na feel waja old players teams na kan na wase but we share this season na teams ni na ma players ni na good for obia nya dia we jam because we share now we share kotoko ne has o find very difficult pass we be winning matches and I say we be call on top cause she do na ball obo a unsa no ye de we she be chema unsa no ye de we she we be kuma we say obi abobo na according to say na the chance we be nya bi o tina say kan na ka ye bobo na like obi be win ye ni fipe but now no uko away na ayere nkakra utimi win match no nti ama competition ye kan no ama fairness aba game nim ade be say say ye kan no sama sa na man na question na referee no so ye be say once one show one year because first na him say o say away twa aye den ya home home there was win but say antisa intino ye be da teams no any one officials na the way I want to one year ama near my then akoye no better say one my enkwasa kusi anko ya me say be ball league na wie me say this week be 12th week ama
I betin komo was a game no pa kotoko dreams no
because this week be 12
this ko dreams ase be kotoko ase
you know you say ochina no be say teams na aka no so say na ye ka no one my games no be say club lances and one wash your pitches in my yesterday one pitches in one water my one my because now no in sooner start to say at Tony at the batten ye full sending na any mono into the message say one my in sooner de and park no now one water park and park at least say park in green cry ocean born now who's a winner confidence of a born but park in your fashion born now they can air ding and your best temper say wanted to sign him in my yama a good dinner or say yako park no you find team for any day and go park and you know you be just watching about you as an arcan or
dreams no okay clubs no moko congress among kasa monkasa ya di tiamu wia na ma betena bonten na fe mo cham na mo supporters so cham mo kwa monkasa who bought league who win ya oji 2.5 billion sika e wo Ghana monkasa
solo e se won na obi abusa question wa twa ba say father to man ask one family no and
one family no so here ni den say ya wo dey na boy once I wa born dey ayo dey
baby dia say man say
senior GFA 4 and to me for so club bi say boy leg na ye born da and to me for so club bi
and dey kware
to wo say na say no amwa wa simple matwe me ho me mo
clubs no kra no wo mo kra no in some way kra wo mo united unim ndenti say anke ye na clubs ni nyina authority a even sponsorship money na banwa clubs ni nyina betumi authority a
yes
so what I say now that part ye njanto say yeko nti time cross
yeko tunchia
ne no ma minchia KH trend fashion designers no nana ya ketwa na ande Amanfo numa na ne no Ike Isaac nso no wo mutemu ebo ejuma wo mu bo ejuma pa wa Akuffo aso dodo na afre no borishim nti wo mu ejuma manyo akonkan endra me yesanka mekwa akoye we se manko
wa anko
endra meto wo mu nkra manko nti na mekọ
okay
ewie mekọ me ba me hwese me mfanhye fida
Friday or Friday
yes me fanhye Friday na atunyamba ye ide are who sem but we hu onyamba ye ide na te say ese me fa hona Isaac enem de meba nti uye be ye tu bia why enem meba be ye tu ana
so
open ade your bank go chat
ene dia pa
all right
nti ba minchia wo
okay that's in ya tuncha ne yanko why
e be chia etiefo especially Madam Abeta Eudu aya Ahimbroma
Okay.
one provision store or how we or Oton Kuni Identintia and command say Abindo Biana Ota Merchina Bibia Timia Kama.
Okay. Abusia wonso yenchia ubi na sedan confirm wa wutie yen wa wo share yen enso Facebook afi bi confirm DJ Zigibi or the encore social media no so na en confirm Donzi ono so miemi afidie no afi okore ajeman ono so ta yachi asedan confirm no en confirm AK the boss player and executive producer no and so Mr. KB ono so asedan confirm Medina the Pastoral Paradise, the guy with the romantic voice on your radio meeting with the ma AK nyame adom ochene kono ono ankasa betena so betene nka na ne wo hu na ye de hu nkomo de ama until then nyame ntina nimu nche on fi adomo enko adomo yakofa kasebo
Lord of lords, conquering lion.